our 60-second trading strategy. Today, we're going to select an asset. We're going to look around for an asset that's trending up or down. Today, we've selected the Euro US dollar. We're then going to go to the internet and find its support and resistance and its pivot point at the current time. We're going to put that on a chart, and then we're going to look for the asset to move up and down around that point. Today, we're selecting the Euro US dollar, and we're going to watch for it to jump off of its pivot point. Whenever it climbs to the very top, we're going to trade it going down. Whenever it comes down to the bottom, we're going to trade it going up. It's very simple like that, and we're just watching it on this chart. We're using observation, validation, and verification. We just got our first trade in. As you can see, the green bar on the bottom is ticking away. We just expired in one. Okay, and every time it hits that blue line, we're going to trade again or get close to it. So we have trade number 2. Now it's gone up towards its peak, and we're going to trade it when it's at its peak or when it's at its bottom. So we're going to grab it going down. Remember, with binary options, you only have to be 1 pip in the right direction to make profit. Okay, so we just want to find it at its highest and its lowest points where it is trading currently. Okay, and we just count down. Here we just won trade number 2. Now we're not going to win 100% of the time. Here we're going to go into trade number 3. Now it's below the line, so we're going to look at it to go up, and we're going to trade it going up, and we're going to wait for the 60 seconds to tick down. Okay. Now everything you're seeing is live. We've just sped up the recordings so that you can see it, but you can watch the time bars, the charts, and everything else, and you'll see it's all live, no smoke and mirrors. Okay, we just won trade number 3. We're going in for trade number 4. Okay, it's below the line, so we're going to trade it once again going up. Okay, there we go. We're approving the trade, and we're going to wait for it to tick down 60 seconds here. And as I said, we've just sped up the trades. We have not done anything with smoke and mirrors. Okay, we just won trade number 4. Trade number 5, okay, it's peaked all the way up top of where it's been peaking all day. So we're going to trade it going down. Now, we're not going to be right 100% of the time. Some trades we will lose. But statistically, as long as we can win more than 50%, we'll be even. If we can go to 60%, we'll be making huge profit. If we can get to 70%, we'll be making big dollars. Okay, so here we just won another trade. The other trade we entered is still in profit zone. And we're about to, there we go, it just closed out with profit. We're going to go up to trade number 6, and we're going to watch for that price point to get above or below that blue line. And look at it, it's peaked all the way up, so we're going to trade it going down. Okay, and it's coming down. Okay, but it just turned and peaked up a little bit, so we might lose this trade. Like I said, we can't win them all. Okay, but now that it's at its peak, we're going to trade it going back down since we've lost this trade, and we did. We're going to trade the last trade here going down because we know it hasn't had enough energy to keep going up, so it's turned. So we're going to enter our last trade at that point coming down. Here we go with trade number 7. There we go. We're trading it going down, and it is going down steadily here. Okay, and we grabbed it when it peaked back up to its peak. It's going to turn around and come back down. Here we go, tick, tick, tick. And at the last second, we got that one also. That's why you have to hit the highs and the lows. So that's 7 trades, and of those 7 trades, we've only lost 1. That's a pretty good day. Okay. So what you're looking at now is my portfolio, and we were able to make all of these trades back to back live